everyone, today I'm going to do a video on my first plant swap. I am trading with Mish, also known as the Plant Visual on Instagram, and we are doing trades of our variegated monsteras. I am trading her for a Thai Constellation Monstera. This is the cutting that I took. The lighter color one is a brand new leaf, so it hasn't even firmed up yet, so I hope this does well in transport. I was struggling this morning and thought I was recording, and I did the chop and found out right afterwards that I wasn't recording. First, I sanitized my scissors with some alcohol wipes. So after I chopped it, I wrapped it in some spag moss that I got from Amazon. That one is from New Zealand and I heard really good things about it. With the spag moss, a little goes a long way because it'll expand once you get it wet. In that gallon jug, I mixed some water, 1 drop of Super Thrive in there to help with the transition. I just wrapped it up and then I wrapped it with plastic wrap. And then to make it more secure, I taped the top, making sure that I didn't get the tape on the actual plant itself. Now I have to go to the post office. I brought some materials in this veggie grill bag. I'm gonna get the tube, come back to my car, make sure I package it really securely, and then I'll send it off. So I'll check back in once I am outside the post office, and then I'll show you exactly how I package everything. I think this box should fit. This is the medium flat rate box. Okay, I haven't closed it up yet, but it fits if I put it diagonally. I brought newspaper with me, so I just crumpled up a bunch of it. This is just I don't know, foam that's come with some packages that we received before, and I saved it. So I'm gonna wrap the plant up with this, trying to make sure that the leaves lay flat, something like that, loosely. I'm gonna put some in the bottom and then put the plant in and then put more on top. So I have it in here like this, and I am just surrounding it with some more newspaper. So I just set another piece of this on top, so it's going to be like this huge bubble for it. So I'm just using medical tape right now. I always do this when I ship packages. Obviously I don't have experience shipping plant mail, but with other packages I always use medical tape because it's strong, and then I use their tape on top of it just for extra protection. But I think this oh, I forgot to put her freaking note in there. Why am I like this? Why? I'm just gonna stick it in this corner right now. Okay. And it's like light as a feather, but I'm gonna go ahead and ship this. That's it. I'll do an update when I receive my mail from her and she receives this to see if it got there safely. I don't know if I mentioned I'm getting a Thai Constellation Monstera. I think I did. I'll check in probably in a couple days. So I just got home from work and my package is here. I am so excited. It's 2 days later. Mish messaged me saying she just got her plant mail. It arrived in perfect condition, so I'm so excited about that because I was actually worried since I don't have much experience with plant mail. Well, I don't have experience sending the plant mail. I have experience receiving it. And I also made another order today for another plant that I've been wanting. It would have been smarter if I brought some scissors over here, but I'm too excited to get up. I'm just gonna try to rip it. Okay. Oh my gosh, how cute. It has her logo on it. It has care tips in it. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh my gosh, and it's a sticker. She wrote a note and then has a sticker. That's so cute. Thank you, Mish, if you're watching this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. She did a great job wrapping it. Here's my baby. Hello. Ooh. Look at that. That's my Thai Constellation. Ah! It's so cute. I think it has one teeny tiny yellow leaf, so that probably would have happened anyways, but she wrapped it in this spag moss and it has this larger leaf. Oh my gosh, excited. Yeah, this is a young one because it doesn't have any splits in it yet. This was a successful first plant swap, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.